Hello, hi. So, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, in this video, I will explain to you about the Odoo 18. Okay, so basically, I'm going to start a Odoo 18 playlist. In this playlist, we will cover like all the technical side and also the functional side. What is the new features and what is the menus of the Odoo. Okay, everything we will cover in this session in this playlist. Basically, I'm creating a new playlist for the Odoo 18 technical course and also the functional course. Video coming in a both. Okay, like a both way video should be in a functional type or the a technical side. Okay, both type of video will cover, and also I will create every module and codes, and you can write by self. I will show you how we will create the module and how to customize the models and what are the models. Everything we will explain to you. So basically, in this video, this is the introduction of the Odoo 18. This is a little bit introduction of the Odoo 18. Okay, so let's explain to you. Mm. So my name is Akash. I'm going to start a Odoo 18 playlist. Again, I'm saying to you. So what is the Odoo? Basically, Odoo is the open source ERP, like enterprise resource planning. This is a software that helps a business manage all their operation in a one place. Like it include a wide range or integrated business applications such as like a sales module, purchase module, inventory accounting, and CRM. So also that's in a manufacturing. Also you can do it in a website or e-commerce. Okay. So Udo is known as a all of in a one business solution that suit both small setup or the large enterprise. It written manually in a Python or backend side, or also you can use the XML like a JavaScript base or the QWeb. QWeb language is used to create the PDF report. Like if you send to the sales order to the customer, if you want to modify the QWeb report, basically if you want to modify the sales order report, purchase order report, perform invoice report, so you can do it customize. Okay, by the QWeb report. Also in this use the JS script. Okay, JavaScript. There are the two main edition like what is the two versions, community version and the enterprise version. So basically community version edition is a free and open source. Okay, and but in the enterprise edition, this is the paid and advanced feature will give to you Udo. Okay, so in the community version you have a limited access. Okay, like you cannot create multiple reports. Okay, which is you can do it customized in a community version everything, but you get a some default basic basic report like accounting report. In this community version is not have a balance sheet, profit and loss. It's talking about the accounting model. Okay, where is the third party application is there in the Odoo application app store. You can download the application and install it in your system. But enterprise edition Odoo that will help to you. Okay, and if you going to the Odoo enterprise version, this UI is very interactive to the user interface. Also, Odoo will give to you extra features like Jatka linking, invoicing linking, AV bill, everything. Okay, and the interface will be very good. And if I'm talking about the Udo architecture views, like Udo architecture view, like two types, so like front end and back end. Okay, in the back end and front end, so coming in the three types of the main layer, like a front end layer and a back end layer and database layer. If I'm talking about the front end layer, so basically the front end layer like a web-based user interface exists via the browser. Okay, whatever like a user here you can see like a sales module, dashboard, invoicing. This is the web-based user interface. So like if I'm going to the sales module, so this is the web-based user interface, the UI. Okay. After that, they built using XML, web template, and JS script oval framework. So like whatever is like any pop-up is coming automatically. So in the backend side is working as a JS work. Oh, okay, if I'm going to here, so if I custom activate the developer mode and going to the developer buttons, and here you can see the view and form. So this is the XML views. So this is the front end of the front end side of the Udo. So this is the basic things in the Udo. If I'm going to the client side, like I include the client side visit and UI behavior, how it's work. So that I will like show you in the video in upcoming. So that will how will work like a visit. What is the visit? Like if you have create any many to many fields, like a relational type field, or like a radio type field, percentage type field. Okay, Re- remaining time field like if I am showing to you here. So here you can see the activities. So here activities is different type of activities. Okay, let me show you delivery date, expected delivery. If I'm going to what if it is there, currently it's not there. Yeah, right. Here you can see like colors. If you see the status colors, like first is a green and second is a blue and that is a purple like this. So this is the decorations. Okay, same way visit will work in the UI way. Okay, after that I'm coming to then a backend layer. Backend layer, what will we work in the backend side? So in the backend side in the Odoo is a built in a Python. Every like if I'm talking about the Odoo 18 version, so Odoo 18 version supported a Python 3.12 version. Okay, if you're going to the 11 version, 12 version, every Odoo version need a different types of Python version you have to install. You have to create the virtual environment for that the particular Python version. After that, contain business logic and model and controller. Controller will use to you like if you create any website. Okay, if you create any website, by default is in a website is a like a, if you know what we call uh, WordPress. Okay, drag and drop and create the website. So in the same way you can create the website in the Odoo. I will show you how to create the already I'm created the one video on the Odoo how to create the website in Odoo, how drag and drop down and how to handle the multiple things, how to create the actions and function from the front end side, help with the studio module. Okay, so I'm already created. I will create an in Odoo 18 in a upcoming video. So I will show you. So okay, so after that the in the backend side the major points are like a use Odoo ORM. ORM is a basically object relational mapping to interact with the database. Like if you want to get the specific data, like here you can see. So like here is the 7 record. If you want to see particular use partner record, okay. So you can get the record by the search method or the browse method and the ref method. You can do it, but basically you have to analyze which method you want to use to filter out the data and customize the code and every functionality. Okay, but you don't know how to create the methods in Odoo and how will work in the backend side. That will I will show you in a upcoming video technical side. After that, coming to the database layer, third. So database layer we will Odoo will use to powered by the PostgreSQL. Post Odoo is used PostgreSQL version. Okay, 14 or 16. You can decide which is you comfortable on the server. You store all the records like product master, customer master, like product master. What are the products you created? Product master like you. This is the your master data. Okay, if you see here the drawer, table, chair, everything is there. You can create multiple product and variant. If you have a different types of variant, you can use everything. Okay, if you have a bill of material or the packaging, everything that's you also create in the system. I will show you everything as a manufacturing module process how will work, and the like if you create the purchase order, how will raise the purchase request, how to create the requisition to take the stock in the system on the production floor, everything. Okay, if you create the sale order, how to deliver to the customer, what will be the delivery report, how to create the delivery report, everything I will show you. Okay, so all the I'm talking about the database layer. So every database will be stored in the database. Okay, you can download in a bot type in a zip file. Zip file will be coming into the with file store, or if you download the dump, then it will come without the file store. Okay, and then ORM handles all database operations. Okay, by the code like a request flow user. If you see the request flow of the Odoo, like one user in login in the system, after that he can see. front end a browser. After that, the backend side, Python and ORMs. After that, the PostgreSQL in the backend side to take the response from the UI. Okay, so this is the mm, two things in the Udo. After that, I'm coming to the Udo edition. Like okay, Udo edition like a enterprise and community comparison. If talking about okay, I'm already explained to you. If I'm going to hear the features, what the features is Udo 8 community version and Udo enterprise version, like a license. If I'm talking about the community version, no need you have to take the license. You can create any multiple users. But if you going to the enterprise version, Udo will charge every user. Every user price will be maybe around $13 to $14. Okay. If you take if you're going to the cost, community will be totally free of cost. But enterprise, I'm told to you, user price is per monthly or yearly. That will be price. Like and then after that the second is third is a studio app like if you can create the field from the front end side like here if you see at the name or the product here is a product type field. You can create the field from the front end side, no need to create the from the back end side. That is the studio app application which is applicable, which is available in the enterprise version, but in in a community version you cannot see. Okay, this is the Udo 18 enterprise version. If I'm going to the studio STID or studio, sorry, yeah, sorry, studio. So here is studio module. So basically you can customize the code. Okay, you can add the field, add the some functional or buttons, everything. Okay, or mobile app community version mobile application is not supported, but Udo 18, oh sorry, Udo Enterprise version by default give a Udo application in a Play Store or the Mac, sorry, iOS system, iOS mobile application. That will be a application is there. Okay, both platform. But in a community version, application is not there. Okay, like advanced accounting features. If I'm going to the accounting module, so this is the invoicing. Let me install the accounting module. Oh, okay. First, I'm showing to this. So here you can see this invoicing is a community accounting. If I'm going to the enterprise accounting, so let me upgrade the accounting module. Before I was in a Odoo community version. Now I'm going to enterprise accounting. So let me install. Basically, I'm click on the activate. Once I click on the activate more button, module will install in the system. Okay. So some error is coming in my add-ons, so there is some issue. Okay, I will show you in the next video or you can check. So there is a many different type of report like a cash and flow report, trial balance, balance sheet, journal ledger, receivable report, is receivable, is paper. You can see everything report or you can search on the googles. Okay, if you don't believe me, or upgrade services, you can upgrade the services in Odoo 18 like if you buy the enterprise version. Okay, so if you like you use a Odoo 18 version currently, okay, after the 3 years you have to go Odoo 8 20 version or 21 version. So that time Odoo will help to you migrate the database from 18 to uh, 21 version. Odoo 21 version. Okay, Odoo do not charge and anything for to migrate the database, only you have to migrate the code. Okay, database will migrate Odoo by self. Okay, after that customize in a both version. You can customize the module in a community version also in the or enterprise version. This is the free of cost both side. Okay, community edition is the best for the developer or custom modules, but enterprise edition is suitable for the companies looking for ready to use tool and official reports. Okay, supports officer support. Okay, now coming to the fourth point, Odoo 18 new features. Okay, so in a Odoo 18 new features, there are too many new features in a backend side also in a front end side. Okay, like a UI UX enhancement, clean and modern interface, faster page loading, dark mode also supported. Like if you going to here is the dark mode is there. You can click on the dark mode. My page will be in the coming a dark mode. Okay. Or here you can see the quickly loading module. Okay. So this is the functionality in the Odoo ERP. After that, the studio improvement like improved drag and drop interface, user PDF report designing. Okay, like accounting module. If I'm talking about the accounting module, I'm already told to you like a better bank reconciliation, Jatka linking, GST Indian in compliance update, enhance multi-currency handling. Okay, technical performance, improve backend performance and query optimization, faster multi-company switching. Like if you have a multiple company, like I have selected before was it was in Euro 18. So if I'm click on here, so my page will automatically reload when I check. But currently I checked, but still pop-up is there. System is asking, do you want to confirm really? If I want to confirm, then click on confirm. Otherwise, you can do it as a reset or click anywhere. Okay. So new AI assistant is there. Like if you create any mail. Okay. For example, if I'm going to the sale and I want to send this mail to the customer. Okay. Yeah, customer. This is the basic. Currently, you don't know what I'm doing, but I want to show you what the new feature basics. So here is the AI. So AI feature is there. You can do the prompt here, and system will generate like write a formal mail to customer. So it will generate. Okay, Udo will generate automatically. This is integrated by default. Automatically integrate the AI. Simply you have to click here, insert. That will coming here. Okay, you can do it name, position, company, everything. This is a AI based system. Now in Odoo 18 version. Okay, like if going to miscellaneous operation, like you can do it, create the spreadsheet application enhancement, better barcode scanner integration, and also the more option to website builder. So this is the basic introduction of the Odoo 18 version. Okay, so I'm not going to the too deeply because I'm going to start a technical side. Okay, when you develop any features in a Odoo 18, so that time I will show you how what the flow is doing in the system. Like you have a create a CRM lead. Once you create the lead, if customer is interested, then you have raise the sales quotation to the customer and send to the price and everything to the customer. If customer is agree, then you have to click on the confirm button. Sale order, sale quotation will confirm to the sale order. Once sale order is a confirmed, delivery will generate. So every process will I will show it to you. Okay, when I start the customization in the Odoo 18. So this is the basic Odoo 18 introductions video little bit. Okay, if you want in a more clarification, then I will create. Okay, in a deeply wise. Okay, so thank you. If you have any question or doubt, you can write the comment in the video section. If your video is good, then you let me know that. If anything you need to improve in this video, I will definitely improve. So thank you. Bye bye.